Hello, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to question 7B WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. So in a triangle OPQ, the OP is a position vector of what? P, and OQ has a position vector of Q. If M is the midpoint of the PQ, we are finding in terms of P and Q the PM and OM. Let's see if we can make a sketch of what that triangle will be like. Not drawn to scale anyway, so we can just draw this as our triangle. The origin OP as a vector, then OQ as a vector, then OM, which is a midpoint division. So M is here. That is going to be vector what? M. All right. What do we need? We want to find PM. Okay, PM. We can see that PM is actually a direct division of what? PQ. So if I pick the first one, looking for PM as a vector, it could be half of what? The PQ as a vector. And how do we find PQ? We can find this PQ as a position vector. So 1 over 2 is going to be OQ minus what? OP in terms of vector, position vector, which is going to be 1 over 2. This right here is from here to here as what? P. Then this becomes what? Q. No, I think we begin with the this place. Therefore, Q minus what? P. Now, we can leave it this way, or we expand as in half of Q minus what? Half of what? P. Both are position vectors. So that is in the case of finding the PM, which is it? PM. I keep on drawing the line down. PM is here. Now we're looking for OM. OM is the midpoint of the position vectors what? OP and what? OQ. So as a direct formula, we can just take it as a midpoint as OM is equals to half of what? The position vectors. What are the position vector? Is going to be P plus what? Q. I can pick it that way and go half of P plus what? Half of Q. Directed that way. Now, we can also come here and look at a triangle as OM is the same as OP to what? PM. If you are going here, direct resultant is the same as going here and come back. So if this is the same as this, we can also say that alternatively, if I have OM as a vector I am looking for equals to OP plus what? PM. Now, what is vector OP? Vector OP is P. What is vector PM? Vector PM is known here as half of Q. Is it plus? That's minus half of what? P. PP. Therefore, 1P minus half P will give you what? A P. So, no? 1P minus half P will give you half P. That is 1 minus what? Half is half. So I have my half P plus what? Half of Q. Kata is worrying me, so my talking is a little bit fast, but I'm sure you get the concept. So you can see if we pick it from the diagram by using resultant vector approach, we come back to the same way as we are taking it as what? The midpoint of what? The vectors. I guess the concept is clear. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.